Wat Chalong or Chalong Temple is a masterpiece of Thai spirituality in the heart of Phuket. This enchanting temple is not just a site. It's an experience that unfolds in layers of history, culture, and artistry. Every corner of Wat Chalong is steeped in tales of meditation and miracles, attributed to the revered monks once residing here. As you wander through the temple grounds, the first thing that captures your attention is the stunning architecture. The grand pagoda, towering and ornate, houses a splinter of Lord Buddha's bone, making it an extraordinary centerpiece. Intricate carvings and thousands of shimmering glass tiles adorn its faces, reflecting the sun's rays and casting a golden glow. The air is thick with the scent of incense, a constant companion as you explore the numerous halls and smaller temples. Each structure tells a story of devotion, featuring statues of Buddhas in various poses, which representing different aspects of his life and teachings. The sound of chanting monks carries through the air, a soothing backdrop that enhances the meditative atmosphere. Visitors come here not just to see, but to participate. They light candles and incense sticks, adding to the aromatic tapestry of the place. Others kneel in prayer, their heads bowed in respect, and their hands grasped tightly in front of sacred statues. Wat Chalong is alive, with festivals and celebrations throughout the year. During special events, the temple grounds burst into a riot of colors and sounds, with fire displays that light up the night sky and traditional dance performances that tell stories of Thai folklore. Photographers and cultural enthusiasts will find endless inspiration in the detailed frescoes that line the walls, depicting Buddha's journey towards enlightenment. Meanwhile, the ringing of the temple bell as a resonant soundtrack to the visual feast, believed to bring good luck to those who strike it. Local vendors lines the approach to the temple, offering a taste of Thai street food, from sweet mango sticky rice to spicy tom yum soup. Here, the vibrancy of Thai culture is palpable, making Wat Chalong a hub not only for spiritual seekers, but also for those looking to immerse themselves in traditional customs. As the sun sets, the temple transforms. The golden structure lights up, and the reflection in the surrounding ponds create a surreal, mirror-like image that is truly breathtaking. This moment of tranquility is what many remember long after their visit. Wat Chalong is more than just Phuket's largest and most visited temple. It is a symbol of resilience and peace. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of Thai heritage, beckoning travelers from around the globe to discover its beauty and serenity. This temple is not just a destination. It's a journey into the heart of Thai culture, offering a profound glimpse into the spiritual and communal life of the Thai people. Wat Chalong invites you to step away from the mundane and explore the extraordinary, making every visit a new chapter in an ongoing story of recovery. Experience it and carry a piece of Thai spirit back home with you. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you enjoyed my video. Thank you, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.
พุทธเจ้าเปิดโลกมองเปิดมา